Hey, space enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the mysteries of the universe and dive deep into the latest cosmic discoveries. Today, we have a thrilling update that's sending shockwaves through the astronomy community. The James Webb Space Telescope has detected something astonishing at the Edge of Betelgeuse, one of the brightest stars in our night sky, and it's nothing short of alarming. Is Betelgeuse about to explode? Is this the start of a supernova event? Grab your telescopes, because this could redefine what we know about massive stars and their life cycles. When we think of stars, most of us imagine tiny, sparkling points in the night sky. That's how they look from Earth, but in reality, stars are anything but small. Some, like Betelgeuse, one of the largest stars known to us, make our sun look like a mere speck in comparison. For years, scientists have been captivated by Betelgeuse, but recently, this massive star has been showing troubling signs that have astronomers around the world concerned. The James Webb Space Telescope has observed disturbing changes, hinting that Betelgeuse might be on the brink of a spectacular end. In this video, we'll dive into the alarming details surrounding Betelgeuse's mysterious behavior and explore what this could mean for our galaxy and even for us here on Earth. As noted by Dr. Mokaku, a prominent scientist, Betelgeuse is truly a cosmic wonder. Its sheer size and dynamic nature have fascinated astronomers for centuries, with the Greek scientist Ptolemy being the first to document it. If you've ever gazed at the night sky in winter, you've probably seen it too. It's the bright, reddish-orange star at the top left of the Orion constellation. One of the most intriguing aspects of Betelgeuse is its erratic brightness. Unlike most stars, Betelgeuse doesn't keep a steady glow. Instead, it dims and brightens unpredictably, adding to the mystery that has fascinated scientists. And if that wasn't enough, Betelgeuse even changes shape over time, a trait almost unheard of among stars. While we look up at stars each night, it's easy to forget how distant they truly are. The closest star to Earth, apart from the Sun, is over 4.2 light-years away. To put that in perspective, a single light-year is about 5.88 trillion miles. Imagine traveling at the speed of light for over 4 years just to reach our nearest stellar neighbor. So what's going on with Betelgeuse? And what might its future hold for our galaxy? Join us as we uncover the science behind this giant star's strange behavior and the potential impact of its fate. Imagine traveling through space at the speed of light, a staggering 186,000 miles per second, for an entire year. That's what we call a light year, and it's an enormous distance. Even the closest stars are still billions of miles away, with Betelgeuse being much farther, about 600 light years from Earth. This means that even if you could travel at light speed, it would still take 600 years to reach it. Despite being so far away, Betelgeuse shines brightly in our sky. Its incredible size and luminosity make it one of the most prominent stars we can see. In fact, Betelgeuse is estimated to be 500 times larger than our Sun and might have a radius nearly 1,000 times that of the Sun. Through powerful telescopes, Betelgeuse doesn't appear as a mere pinpoint of light, like other stars. Instead, it shows up as a small disk. Scientists believe that reactions in the star's outer atmosphere create this unusual effect. In terms of mass, Betelgeuse is massive, between 12 and 19 times the mass of our Sun. To measure this, astronomers use a standard unit called azolar mass, which is equal to about 2 x 1030 kilograms. Although Betelgeuse has no planets orbiting it that would make direct measurements easier, we know it's at least 12 times more massive than the Sun, even if exact figures are challenging to pin down. Betelgeuse's brightness, distance, and size make it a fascinating object of study. It's a cosmic giant with a lot of mysteries, and its ultimate fate might change the night sky as we know it. In simple terms, Betelgeuse is a staggering 16,000 times brighter than our Sun. No wonder it's known as their giant. But Betelgeuse's brightness isn't constant. This giant star pulses, expanding and contracting over time. When it expands, it brightens. When it contracts, it dims. This cycle can last anywhere from 10 days to over 100 days. What makes Betelgeuse especially unique are its enormous dark magnetic spots. In these spots, the magnetic field is much stronger than in the surrounding areas, blocking hot gas from reaching the surface and causing these regions to be cooler. While our Sun also has dark spots, Betelgeuses are far larger and more numerous. To put it in perspective, some of these spots on Betelgeuse can be twice the size of Earth. Its magnetic field is about 1,000 times stronger than the Sun's, causing the surface gases to form impressive loops and arcs, visible through high-powered telescopes. Despite being much bigger and brighter, Betelgeuse's surface temperature is cooler than the Sun's, reaching around 3,500 Kelvin. This combination of extreme brightness, size, and powerful magnetic fields makes Betelgeuse one of the most fascinating stars in our galaxy. Sure, here's a more engaging version of your script. The surface of Betelgeuse is significantly cooler than that of our Sun, which contributes to its dim, red appearance. Interestingly, it wasn't always red. About 2 million years ago, Betelgeuse shone with a yellow hue, much like our Sun does today. Over the centuries, it gradually changed to an orange-red and finally became the striking red giant we observe now. This color transformation has led some experts to speculate that Betelgeuse may be nearing the end of its life cycle. Despite its cooling surface, it still emits an astounding 7,500 times more energy than the Sun. If Betelgeuse were closer to us and still in its prime, it could pose a significant threat to our solar system. Even at a staggering distance of 600 light-years, Betelgeuse is bright enough to be seen with the naked eye on clear nights. In contrast, our Sun is just 8.3 light-minutes away from Earth, which is why it has such a profound impact on our planet. If Betelgeuse were in the Sun's place, its sheer size would push Earth and the 4 closest planets out of their orbits. Additionally, since Betelgeuse radiates so much more energy, placing it in our solar system would be disastrous for life on Earth. Perhaps it was never meant to be our Sun. Instead, it's meant to remain a magnificent red giant, visible from afar, allowing us to admire its beauty without the risks that would come from its proximity. Because of its distance, the red light we see from Betelgeuse is actually stronger than many other light waves from nearby celestial objects, making it a captivating sight in our night sky. Galaxies are in a constant state of change, all thanks to the ever-expanding universe. As this expansion occurs, light waves stretch, causing longer wavelengths to travel farther. This phenomenon is why, from immense distances, we primarily see red light blue light fades away because its wavelength is shorter. One star that has captured our attention over the years is Betelgeuse, and it's clear that it's an ancient star nearing the end of its life. As stars age, the hydrogen in their cores undergoes nuclear fusion, transforming into helium and changing the star's color to red. This marks the transition into what scientists refer to as a red giant. Interestingly, heavier stars age more rapidly than their lighter counterparts because their greater mass accelerates the fusion process. Betelgeuse, being 12 times more massive than our Sun, is dying at an accelerated rate. Its irregular pulses and fluctuating brightness serve as clear indicators that it's approaching its final stages. In 2019, Betelgeuse started to dim, reaching its lowest brightness in February 2021, which sparked concerns among scientists that it might be on the verge of its demise. So, how do stars meet their end? The process often culminates in a spectacular explosion known as a supernova. But before we dive deeper into the life and death of stars, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a star? If you've ever witnessed a nuclear explosion, you might be surprised to learn just how small a supernova really is. When stars reach the end of their lives, they explode in an incredible burst of energy known as a supernova, unleashing some of the most awe-inspiring events in the universe. Supernovas are classified into 2 distinct types, Type I and Type II. A Type I supernova occurs when a low-mass star accumulates material from a neighboring star until it can no longer contain the pressure. This triggers a powerful nuclear reaction that causes the star to explode. On the other hand, type II supernovas involve massive stars like Betelgeuse, which go supernova when they exhaust their nuclear fuel and can no longer support their own structure. This collapse results in a catastrophic burst of energy that sends shockwaves through space. Type I supernovas are particularly spectacular, often emitting immense light, heat, and radiation. Some are so powerful that they can obliterate everything in their vicinity, casting such a brilliant glow that they make all the other stars in their galaxy appear faint by comparison. But these explosions aren't just about spectacle. They also play a vital role in the universe. During the intense conditions of a type I supernova, heavy elements like iron, nickel, and even gold are forged. When the star detonates, these elements are scattered across the cosmos, contributing to the formation of new stars and planets. So, what kind of explosion can we expect when Betelgeuse finally goes supernova? It's likely to be a type II event. Astrophysicist Michio Kaku has expressed concern that Betelgeuse could blow up soon. But is this good or bad news? Well, that's a topic worth exploring. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of these cosmic explosions and what they mean for our universe. Looking back to the year 1604, we witnessed the last supernova in our galaxy. These cosmic explosions are typically breathtaking, showcasing brilliant colors and spectacular displays. But don't be fooled by their beauty. Getting too close to a supernova can be deadly. So, what would happen if Betelgeuse's explosion reached Earth? One thing all supernovas have in common is their immense release of high-energy light. In fact, a typical supernova emits a burst of radiation that is a staggering 1,000 times more powerful than the radiation we receive from the sun. We all know how harmful the sun's rays can be, especially with growing concerns about global warming. Now, imagine radiation 1,000 times worse. The shockwave from a supernova could severely damage our ozone layer, leading to catastrophic consequences for life on Earth. Such an event could potentially trigger an extinction-level crisis, wiping out nearly everything on the planet's surface. Some scientists suggest that the only way for humanity to survive this radiation blast would be to seek refuge underground. The Earth's surface might provide some protection from this kind of radiation. While living underground could keep us safe, there's a glimmer of hope. Many cosmologists and experts believe we don't need to worry just yet. As we continue to study the universe, let's keep our eyes on the stars after all. They hold both beauty and peril. When it comes to Betelgeuse, many people believe that its vast distance means we're safe. But here's the catch. Science is always evolving, and with each passing day, we uncover new insights about our universe. For instance, the James Webb Space Telescope recently discovered 6 massive galaxies in space, each comparable in size to our own Milky Way. Until now, scientists didn't even believe galaxies this large existed. This groundbreaking finding has compelled researchers to reevaluate everything they thought they knew about the cosmos. This raises a fascinating question. What else might we be missing or misunderstanding? The notion that we're far enough from Betelgeuse's supernova to be out of harm's way may not be as solid as we think. With our latest technologies, like the James Webb Space Telescope, we're just beginning to grasp the complexities of Betelgeuse. Its unique pulsations are already intriguing, but its eventual supernova could hold even greater surprises. Imagine this. Particles from a Betelgeuse explosion could potentially reach Earth faster than the speed of light. And the shockwave from such a massive event might trigger nearby stars, like Capella, which is only 43 light-years away, to erupt as well. If a star that close went supernova, Earth would certainly feel the impact. As we continue to explore and understand the cosmos, it's essential to remain curious and open-minded. After all, the universe is full of mysteries just waiting to be uncovered. Betelgeuse, a massive red supergiant located in the Orion constellation, has fascinated astronomers for centuries. It's about 700 light-years away, yet it's one of the most visible stars in our sky. To give you an idea, if Betelgeuse were in our solar system, it would engulf everything up to Jupiter. This star has a mind-boggling diameter about 700 times that of our Sun. Known for its unpredictable dimming, Betelgeuse has kept astronomers on their toes with its recent behavior, sparking theories of an impending supernova. But what makes this detection by the James Webb telescope so remarkable is that it reveals something previously unseen in Betelgeuse's structure, a strange, highly energetic phenomenon. The James Webb telescope, with its advanced infrared capabilities, was able to peer deep into the regions surrounding Betelgeuse. What it found is causing a buzz, an unusual buildup of hot gas at the star's edge. This might not sound like much, but it's a telltale sign of something massive happening within the star. Such gases are typically associated with intense stellar processes that can precede a star's explosive end. Imagine a pot of water just before it boils over. Betelgeuse's boiling points could be close, and this buildup might be the first step. It's a discovery that wouldn't have been possible without Webb's infrared technology, offering an entirely new glimpse into the aging star's turbulent life. When stars like Betelgeuse reach the end of their lives, they explode in a dazzling display called a supernova. These events are some of the brightest in the universe, capable of outshining entire galaxies. Scientists have long speculated that Betelgeuse could go supernova within the next 100,000 years, a blink of an eye on a cosmic scale. The buildup of hot gas could be the precursor to this event, signaling that the star is nearing the end of its life. However, predicting a supernova is notoriously tricky. The new evidence from Webb brings us one step closer, but it's still unclear whether Betelgeuse will explode in our lifetime. If it does, it would be one of the most extraordinary events ever witnessed from Earth. If Betelgeuse does go supernova, it would be a sight to behold. The explosion would be so bright that it would rival the full moon and be visible even during the day. For weeks, perhaps even months, we would witness A's second sun in the sky as Betelgeuse's supernova outshines everything else. But don't worry, it's far enough away that we wouldn't be in any danger from the radiation. Instead, we'd get a front row seat to one of nature's grandest fireworks displays. Such an event would give scientists a unique opportunity to study supernovae in real time, offering insights that could reshape our understanding of how massive stars evolve and die. The James Webb Telescope's detection is more than just an exciting discovery about Betelgeuse. It's a game changer for astronomy. By observing stars like Betelgeuse in their final stages, we can learn more about the life cycles of massive stars, including how they enrich the universe with heavy elements essential for life. Supernovae play a crucial role in seeding the cosmos with elements like iron and oxygen, which eventually form planets and even living organisms. Webb's findings will deepen our knowledge of stellar evolution and help scientists piece together the puzzle of how elements essential for life are distributed throughout the galaxy. The stakes for humanity's understanding of the cosmos have never been higher. Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blessovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blessovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.